What I found is that the easiest way to repair a drywall hole is to open up the hole up to the studs and then add scrap 2x4 or 1x4 to the studs and use that as a base to secure the new piece of drywall. The measurement doesn't have to be that accurate, although the better the cut, the better the measurement, it makes it much easier to finish the drywall. Install insulation with a good vapor barrier before you cover the hole. If you don't have a lot of experience installing drywall, you can get very inexpensive Phillips head tips that prevent you from driving the screw through the drywall. Cut off any excess around the perimeter of the hole. You can use ready mix all-purpose joint compound, or you can use the 20-minute or 40-minute, 45-minute, 90-minute quick setting joint compound. All you need is a 4-inch and a 12-inch spackle knife and a spackle pan, and then you're ready to go. You can buy them, and once you have them, they're good for a long time.
Attached is the finished product. Thank you.
In summary, cut a drywall to existing studs, nail or screw 2x4s or 1x4s, cut a drywall to fit the opening, install the insulation with a vapor barrier, don't drive the screws through the drywall, apply drywall premixed joint compound, and use tape. You can use 45 or 90-minute quick setting joint compound. The secret is a little is good. If you enjoyed this and you would like to learn more about other projects, please subscribe. My Easy Fix. Thank you. Comment.